Hello! Wait, don't skip this video.
Yes, seriously, because after watching this, you will be able to introduce yourself confidently in English.
If you feel nervous,
If your mind goes blank,
or you don't know what to say,
this conversation will help you speak clearly and confidently.
so stay with us till the end.
Let's start. Hey,
Hey, you sound a little nervous today. What happened?
I have to introduce myself in front of people tomorrow.
Oh, that's why you are worried?
Yes, I don't know what to say and I feel scared.
That's completely normal. Many people feel like this.
Really? Even confident people?
Yes, confidence doesn't come in one day. It comes with practice.
I think my biggest problem is fear.
Fear of what?
Fear of making mistakes and people judging me.
Let me tell you something important. Okay, people are not perfect. Everyone makes mistakes. And most people are busy thinking about themselves, not judging you. That actually makes me feel better. Good. That's the first step. Change your thinking. So how do I start my introduction? Start simple. Always keep it simple. Simple? Yes. Say, hello, my name is. Okay. Hello, my name is. Then say where you are from. Like, I am from India? Exactly. Then what? Say what you do. I am a student, or I work as. Perfect. That sounds easy. Yes, you don't need big sentences. I always thought I should use difficult words. No, simple English is powerful. Okay. Now listen carefully. Confidence is not only about words. Then what else? Your body language. Body language? Yes, how you stand, how you look, how you smile. I usually look down when I speak. Try to look at people. I feel shy. That's okay. Act confident first. Act confident? Yes, even if you don't feel it. Fake it? Yes, and slowly it becomes real. That's interesting. Also, smile a little. Smile? Yes, it makes you look relaxed. Okay, I will try. Now, another important thing. Speak slowly. I usually speak fast when I'm nervous. That's normal, but try to slow down. Why? Slow speaking makes your words clear. That makes sense. And take small pauses. Pause? Yes, don't rush. Okay. Now tell me, do you practice? Not really. That's the problem. Practice builds confidence. How should I practice? Stand in front of a mirror. Really? Yes, speak your introduction again and again. That feels a little funny.
But it works.
Okay, I'll try.
Also, you can record your voice.
Oh.
Then listen and improve.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Now let's practice together.
Okay, I'm ready. Hello, my name is Jake.
Good. Smile.
Hello, my name is Jake. I am from India.
Nice. Continue.
I am a student, and I like learning English.
That's perfect.
That felt good.
See? You can do it.
I feel more confident now.
Because you practiced.
Yes, practice really helps.
Always remember, confidence grows with action.
Not with thinking only.
Exactly.
I used to think too much.
And not speak?
Yes.
Now speak more.
Even if I make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
I understand now.
Confidence is not about being perfect.
It's about trying.
Exactly.
I feel motivated now.
That's great.
I will practice today.
Not tomorrow, today.
Yes. Good. Thank you. You helped me a lot.
Always welcome. I will introduce myself confidently tomorrow.
I believe in you. Step by step, confidence grows. Life changes. Beautiful. Good night. Good night.